Jalal-Abad State University named after Bekmat Osmonov. Jalal-Abad College Group аты 219. Teacher Bаймырзаева Батма Масалбековна, Студент Асанбек кызы Сырга. Lesson main for Asian language. Our homework was to read the text. I will survive, or will I? The Britons have a reputation for being bad at learning languages, but is it really true? I work for a newspaper which was doing a series of articles about this. As an experiment, they asked me to try and learn a completely new language for 1 month. Then I had to go to the country and do some tests to see if I could survive in different situations. I decided to learn Spanish because I would like to visit Spanish and Latin America in the future if I go. I don't want to be the typical Brit who expects everyone else speak English. I did 1 month intensive course in Spanish at a language school in London. I was a complete beginner, but I soon found that some Spanish words are very different from hello and angels is very similar to English, but also think very more difficult. For example, the verbs in Spanish change for each person, and that means you have to learn a lot of different endings. My biggest problem was the pronunciation. I found it very difficult to pronounce some letters in Spanish, especially R and J. I downloaded sentences in Spanish onto my phone, and I listened and repeated them again and again. When my course finished, I went to Madrid for the weekend to do my test. A Spanish teacher called Paula came with and gave me a mark out of 10 for each test and then a final mark for everything.